Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will talk about how to use a Twinmotion materials library, how to bring an objects to your plane. So let's start it guys. So when you open the Twinmotion, you can see that interface in front of you, and then on the left side you have a library from there, and there are a lot of options: materials, vegetation, objects, lights, HDRI environments, and characters, tools, vehicles. And if you want to import any file, you can click over there to import your file. And let's start it with the materials guys. So we will click on materials, and then we have option over there in objects. So we can select objects, we can select a city, so you can select anything from there like benches, bollards, fountains. Let's start with the fountain guys. So I want this fountain, so let's click and drag it to your plane anywhere you want. And we can again go into the library, and we can get a vegetation from there, we can get a trees. So there are a lot of trees options to use in your model, like Indian sandalwood. So we can select and we can drag there, we can select, we can drag there and select and drag. It's a really simple software to use. It's a really easy software to use. And after that we can go again to the library, and we can again go to the objects, go to the home. We can use a living room, and we can use a chairs, pork, whoop, armchair, like this. These are the chair options. So again going to the home, in kitchen, accessories, you can see a plates for the interiors. That all are the things that you can use in your modeling. And it's a really amazing software for the rendering. Like we can use anything to make our render beautiful, our walkways, our walkthroughs, and anything. So we can also use the characters from there, like people, animated humans, like this. You can see that the person is moving. This is an animated persons, like we can use that. So that's the way we can use our materials library in Twinmotion. Thank you so much guys.